Welcome. Today we're going to dive into Claude Cowork. A lot of you would have already heard about Claude Code or Claude Cowork and how they're lighting the world on fire. Today I'm going to specifically walk you through an example where I use Claude Cowork to take all of my newsletter editions from Agentic AI with Varun and turn it into a brand hub or a content hub, a single page website that I was able to build in essentially 10 minutes with Claude Cowork. First, I downloaded all of my different newsletters and put them in a single folder and gave Cowork access to work in that folder. Then it went about reading and extracting all the text from those PDFs and then analyzing it to be able to inform its thinking as it built the content hub. Then it went about saving it to the desktop, and the whole process was about 50 steps and took about 10 minutes. And then it gave me a full summary of what it did. The 16 editions that it extracted, it created a hero. It was able to create core themes, a filterable archive like I asked it to, and a footer CDA. Now, without further ado, let's look at what it came up with. Phenomenal. Look at this Agentic AI newsletter. The Agentic AI era is already here. Subscribe free. When I hit browse all editions, it takes me to every edition in one place. Let's see if I click on the edition, do I actually see the editions? That's not the case right now, but it's created a full outline of each of the different editions right here with a summary, and then you can basically subscribe right here. I am beyond impressed with what it has created in less than 10 minutes. And it basically was able to even filter the 5 lenses I write through. Let's see if that checks out. Autonomy spectrum. Absolutely, I talk about moving from assistance to autonomy, production reality, governance and accountability, SaaS as the on ramp to agents, expanding the pie, not zero sum. That is spot on. And look at this, it even gave me a quote. We are not witnessing the replacement of human work, we are witnessing its amplification. Wow, okay. Every edition in one place. This is beyond impressive. I think as you start to play around with Claude Code and Claude Cowork, I would love to hear what are some of the things that blew your mind. But absolutely excited to test this functionality out more and do more with Cowork. Thank you for watching.